How to use TripAdvisor Forums. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you steps on how you can use TripAdvisor Forums. Well, if you have any questions regarding a certain activity or a certain stay, then you can always use the forum section to ask questions to other travelers and get their opinions and reviews. Well, to do so, how you can get to the forums section? Well, you want to head into tripadvisor.com on your website, either on your mobile or on the PC, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the More section and you can see the Forums section right here. You want to click on it. Once you click on photo, the particular forums here, now what you want to do is you can see here, you can see the search bar. So you can ask your question here. So as you can see, best way to travel by train in Japan. So you can click on search forums once you have entered it and you'll be able to find it. Now here you can see search for all forums. So you want to type in Pokhara here. You can click on go and you should be able to get certain questions here and topic and various details right here. So this is how you can use the forums section. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.